So we've gone ahead and pushed that in. Now, what we're going to do with that is I'm going to take a little pine bough and I'm going to dip this in my glue pot. And I'm going to actually kind of dip this on the sides there. The other thing you can do as well is, give me just a moment here, I'm going to slip over to the side. If you want to in the beginning, I would just kind of glue this in, as you can see with the glue gun, because I can't reach that in there with the pot. And that will stabilize this. Okay, that's not going to move. Okay, now we're going to start to assemble. So we're going to actually on this one, yeah, I did that on that one. So we're going to cut this down a little bit. And again, just push this around. Let's cut that down. Because otherwise what's going to happen is we've got too much buildup going on in there. You're going to have to put way too much foo-foo in there to make that work. And I think what you can do with this one too, if you didn't want to use the bell, probably a flat piece of styrofoam would work just as well, but we're just going to go ahead and hack at this and make it work. Okay. And this can get a little messy too, but then again, what isn't? Okay. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make that flush, because then when I push the picks in, it'll be easy to fill those in. And just about there. And he's going to sit down, as you can see, he's going to sit down much flatter. There we go. I'm sorry, Santa. Okay, see how that sits flush? There we go. And that's not moving. If you look at that, it's not moving. Okay, we're going to stick our other two pieces in on either side of that. So I would probably put this one right about there. Now you want to keep in mind you want some height. You don't want them to be all the same height. So push that into where, there we go. Okay, and again, we'll pull this one out and hold on to that, and we'll just slide that on in. Okay, now with the picks, what I did with these is there are 3 in the back. So I kind of wanted the little, these are like little pears. I kind of wanted those to be balanced on both sides. So I'm going to put one here. And again, when it gets down close to the end, you're going to want to use your pliers. So there's one. And we're going to flip this one around this way so the pear is on the same side. And we'll push that in. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and stick that last one in the back there. And you want them pretty close to the edge, because we're going to fill the rest of that in with those pine boughs. So we'll have a little bit of fill in there. Okay, and if you look, this is the way it should look in the back there. And this will be filled in. Okay, now into the front, what I've done is I've taken these, and if you look at them, there's 3. You want to work again. See, everything is in groups of 3. So we're going to want to put, let's see, one in the middle here. So we'll push that in. Okay, and then we'll put one on the side. And we'll give that a push. There we go. Okay, it's going in there. And then we'll put one on this side. And as you can see, that's filling in quite nicely. So whatever shows on the styrofoam, we're going to go ahead and finish and complete that with the little boughs.